Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Joe with Bro. So, how are you all? So, today I got a new topic. It's about editing. So, my cousins and my uncles and aunts ask, how do you edit? So, I just give them the app name and I don't know what do they do afterwards. So, today my mom said that why don't you give them a tutorial? So, I decided to give. So, let's start. So this is when I opened KineMaster app. So I just opened it. I did not do anything. I'll give you the link in the description box to download the app. So after I open this, I will tell you the parts of it. So these are the videos which uh, you created to see. So these are all the videos which I created, and some are uploaded in YouTube, and some I just did it for trial. And these are the videos. So now these is the main screen. This is the name and all, and I'll tell you what is this. So this is the premium version of it, of the KineMaster. So if you want, you can unlock it and you get a 7-day free trial to see if it works or not and the effects. So afterwards, these are the settings of the KineMaster: the photo clip, the pan and zoom, and the information and everything. And the third one is the question mark, so you can follow them on their help and this is the help and support. You can follow Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and all. And the fourth one is the like creating a name. So I will show you how to do this in the end of the video. So you need to know all the parts to get this started. So I have done this, and the last one is notification. So I've not connected to internet so that I don't get anything. So this shows you versions of it, the new version and the update. So if you connect to the internet, you'll be able to see it. So then I come back to the normal screen. These are the three. This is the KineMaster shop. So I need to connect it. So I'll just connect it to the internet. Yeah. So I finally got the internet. So yes. So now I'll just switch off my video and this. Yeah. So these are the KineMaster as a store where you can download all the effects, the transitions, the stickers, the text. Some are free and some you need the premium version. And this is their YouTube channel. You can check it out. So this is where you create the main project. Click on it and you can get the ratio of each project. This is a square and this is the portrait mode and this is the horizontal. The horizontal mode suits for the YouTube. So I get this. I didn't know, I thought it was just the options. So I used to select whichever I wanted and it did not work. So I got to know. So 16 by 9 is for the YouTube. So when you start, you get like this kind of thing when you start the when you open the click on new project thing. So after you get everything, so I will just, this is the media. I will tell you all the options of this. This is the media where you can get all the files which you want and all the videos, and this is the export it or share to YouTube, WhatsApp, your SD card or something. And this is the play button, this one right here. This is the play button, and this is the asset store which I said you. So and these is to go back. So I'll just go back into it. So and the next, this is I will tell you when we add a file. So this is media to get all your files and everything. My files, the WhatsApp video, the green screen and everything with the photos and everything. So this is the background. If you want to add any background, you can add. And these are the favorites. So your favorite items and all. And this is the cloud storage. So now I would just go, okay, I would just click on this. So I would add this. So once you click on that, it gets added down. So after that you need to click the, so now you can see that it's added. So I would just play it and see if it's added properly and doesn't have any confusion or anything. So yeah, it's proper. So now I will tell you, this is the media and this is the layer. Layer means to add something on the main screen, and the audio means to add music, and record means to add as a layer the voice. So you can just click on that and I will show you how to add the voice. So these are the options. I see the, and you can drag it like this, just move the cursor to see, or else you can use this also to move it forward. If you want to set a correct clip, you need to use this cursor. So I think I need to cut it out still here. Okay, so Joe with Bro is there, and I cut it. So I click on that and I get all these. So this is the cut option. You can cut as left of player, meaning the left of where you put the cursor, right meaning the right of where you put, split meaning it won't remove anything, just that you will get as a separate part, split and freeze frame, it will freeze the frame. So I'll tell you all those. So I go to the first thing, and this is the pan and zoom. If you equal it, the zooming and everything you can say. So I don't want it right now. And this is the volume, and this has the volume, everything. You can adjust the volume. They give it to 100. You can adjust the volume. This is the clip graphics. So if you have none, and this is the travel activity which it gives free. It's just like it goes like this, and ending comes like this, and these are all the effects. And this is the sentimental, the accent and the fog and everything. This is powerful on stage. The stars fall, and on stage everything like this, and on stage middle it goes like this. As you can see, it is coming next this one. So I don't want any, for just showing you, and there are more title effects and everything. So I by mistakenly added, oh shit, I don't want this effect. So you don't need to again do everything. What did you do? There's an option called like reverse, this like a circle next to the left hand corner. So you click on that, the effect goes. So all the effects which I added and show you, see now it's back to normal, and the stars are there. So I again click it. So you can see here effects, meaning there is still an effect, there's still an effect, there's still an effect. So the effects is gone there down where it shows near the clip. So there's no effect here now. And this again to get the effects and everything, and this is the reverse, and this again get it back. So I will not use any effect. And this is capture and save. You can just capture it and it's saved to your memory. And this is the project setting, the volume and everything. And this is like I click on this, you can just see. So when we add layers, it comes below it. So when it comes below it, we can't see some. So we use this option to see all if they are correct, and we can adjust them. And this is where you see a small screen type in the right hand corner. This, if you want, you can use it or just leave it. So the next thing is I just move it. This is the moving option which I told you. And the next, I want to add a layer. So I just click on layer, and you can see all these. This is media, like how we use the media here to add, and these are the effects, the stickers, text and handwriting. I will show you all of them. I first click on media. So as I told you, to add another thing on top of that, so I just made this for the normal thing, Joe with Bro, my channel logo. So this is the cropping thing. If you want it to full screen, you can keep it to full screen, and this you can move it just with your finger, and it moves wherever you want. So I would just place it here, and you click on the done button. That's it, it's done. So as I said you, it will be on increasing as you put one layer. So now if you want, you can play it and check. It comes like this, and there is J with B down. So that's Joe with Bro. And when I played it, I got only Joe with Bro still here, and it went off. I want it still, it comes still full. So if I want to extend it, I just click on the clip which I want to extend, and you can see a yellow 3 dots at the end. I just hold on it and I drag it. 1 second. So I just drag it. So you can drag text and all, but you can't drag the photos and all. So if you want to add any photos, you just click on the tick button, and you again go to layer, again media, and search for the same thing and click on it. So it's back again there. So I just make it the same size and everything. Tick. So it's done. So I get again still here, but this is coming to the most left. So I don't want it. I just delete it. I delete it by just clicking on it, and you get all these options. Delete. There's a dustbin box type. You click on that, you delete it. So again I get it back. After that I instead of going to the layer and everything, I just click on the three dots. The three dots will give options like duplicate, bring to front, bring forward, and etc. So duplicate is to duplicate the same layer again. So I just click on duplicate. As you can see, it's duplicated again. So if you want, you can just extend the clip. So it's still here. So I want to make it, so I'll correctly set at that, and then I would click on this clip here, duplicate. So it'll come down, but I don't get it. So if you want like that, you need to go to the layer, and if it's some like text type, to get it down again, so you can use the duplicate option. So now it's not working, so I don't want to do the layer and all. I want to just trim the upper part. I just move the cursor to that. I click the upper part which I want to trim. So I click on the scissors button, and as I said you, these all trim to the right. So I just trim to the right because it's the right side. I want to cut it off. So trim to the right, it's cut. So then the graphics and all, this is the speed of it. How speed should it come, and it'll be on reducing. So normal speed is 1. So I just keep it and it's reverse. To reverse it, to rotate it, this is the adjustment of the brightness, the contrast, and the saturation. The saturation is I like it, but my mom doesn't, so it gives a nice color to it. So I'll just leave it like, and even you can minus it. So it goes to -100 and still +100. So I keep it 0 only. And these are the cube, meaning the normal AM radio as booster and all. How should it come? So then the volume to increase and decrease, as you can see, the reverb is just the normal, I think the effects. Voice changer is to change the voice. So suppose I'm talking now, if I want to change it a bit, these are the sound pitches, so I will just add and show you. And just the extract audio, so this is the intro text. So there's no audio. I just extracted the audio from this, and it came as a layer. So I don't want it, so I'll just delete it. So now I can see it's correctly near that and ending, and both are gone. So I'll just play it and show it to you. So these are the background noises. So that's it, done. You can see the Joe with Bro and everything. So now after that, I will tell you, I want to add some music because it's very plain. So I'll go to music meaning where you download from this store. You can get all whichever you like. So I've downloaded a few which is free, like these and like this, which I use for one of my video. So I'll just pause it. So I'll show you all, and these are the sound effects, like I'll show you example. I need to download, so this is the premium if you want to. So I'll find, yeah, so this is the daily life. If you want, I showed you how to install. Click on something you need, download, and it's installed. So you go back and you come to music, you get that. That's, I think it's like this music. That's nice. Yeah. So these are the recorded, which I said you. I'll tell you how to get these, and these are the songs which are in your mobile and everything. So the parts of this, the audio, I want to add a music. So these. Okay, these are all the audios and everything I found, and these are the audios and everything. So this is Alan Walker Faded, which everyone knows. So I like the song, I add it. Add meaning just click on the plus button, and if you want hear how the song is, you click on the play button and the pause. So I added it. After I added it, it's going more and more, but I don't want that. So I'll just go click on the same thing, but you don't see the scissors option here. You see it down below, trim and split. You click on that, and I want to trim it to the right, so I click on right. That's it, done. It's done. So wherever the cursor is, if you keep like this and add the music will start from there. So now you can hear. It sounds better. So yeah. So after that, I will after the audio. So it's now good. I want to just say hi, hello everyone to everyone of you of the audience you see. So I just click on recorded the audio in this. You can just go to the sound and sorry, that's for the alarm. So I'll just to the audio, and I'll reduce it to 0 so that it doesn't have any sound, and you can reduce and decrease here also. So then after that, you should always click the plus tick button which is there, or else you won't get it. The effects will, the changes will not be added. So start. That's it. After you finish, it will get stopped, and when you click on it, it will tell wait. You should not start as whenever you want. You when it comes like stop down that, you need to start that time after the wait button goes. So as you can see, it's added in the layer. Sorry, it's added in the layer like this. So these are the sounds. So I'll tell you the voice changer. Ah. So I'll just mute this so that you people can hear. So this is my voice. So voice changer, I tell you what is it. This is normal voice which I recorded it. So this is my pitched. And these are all the effects. So I want it normal. I don't want to make any changes. So I'm to just unmute it. So you can go and keep it to 100 or reduce it if you want less. So I finished everything. And so as you can see, I can't see what is in that blue thing there in the layer. So this option you use at the side which is up and down, you click on this, you can see all the effects which I said you, and you can't see anything here. So I want it as thing, I click on this and I get it. If I don't want, I click. So these are the basic things which you need to make a nice video, and the effects. So I will really show you how I create my YouTube videos. So this is just the intro which I put. I go to media again. So this my sister did it in the notes iPad. I click on hi, hello everyone. So this is the everything with the intro and everything. So this is the hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Joe with Bro. So this is my sister created with the notes notes app which is available in iOS. So these are the this thing. So afterwards, I want to just check how did it come. So it has some music. So it has some music. I think I don't want. It's enough music. So I don't want that music. But the music in the starting part is nice, but it's not here. Nice here. So I just click on it. I want to split it. I click on it. I cut it and split. So I split it. I showed you three. The insert right, the split. I'll show you insert and freeze. So this is nice. The this thing. So this one I want to change it. So how will you change it? There's already music. So you just go to the sound button, decrease it fully or mute it here. Nothing. So now I did not click on the plus button, so it will not change. So I need to click the tick button. Afterwards, the sound is not coming, the music. So now I want to add the same Alan Walker's faded thing. So I just click on this. So see Alan Walker, I stretch it just to get my video full. and I just move it with my finger to get. So these, so it's more. So I correctly, approximately, you can just check it. So then afterwards, I just play. So as you can see, it's coming in both sides, but I want Joe Withbro still there. So I just cut it off, and I take that small thing and cut it. That's it, done. So the two music coming, that's not good. So I just split it there. You can just move it. I click on it, then I split it and split to playhead. So that's it, it's split. And I again split it here because I want it here. I don't want it for this clip. So I just go here. I just see where is it. So it's still here. So I'll just cut it again. I'll just split it, cut or trim, the way you say. So this I can just remove it now. So then it continues. So you can see the slide thing. So you can just move it. So I think still here. So I again split it. Because I did not split it, you can again split it if you want. Play it proper, it will be nice and it will be proper. You can see the little two voices there. There's some music, so I would just decrease it a little more. So now you can see. So now you can see it's proper. So now the music extends and extends because the basic things are these. So I would show you how to do a green screen, which is used to chroma key, which we do in this. So I just written, I don't want, okay, I'll continue in this. So okay guys, I found a green screen one. So I just tick mark it, and the green screen, to add it, you need to just choose a photo which should come behind. If you edit it with the chroma key, the green screen will go and you can choose different locations where you want to be. So I just click on media, I click on background. So these are backgrounds. I like these mountains. So I click on that and that's it. I tick mark. So I need to find mine. So you don't go to media. It will come on that clip. So you need to go to layer, media. Then I found it in my camera. So I go to my camera photos. So I found some. So I just want to do this one. This is a small clip. So then afterwards, it starts from here. I want the end screen still here. So I just cut it. Yeah, it's the same way. So now I want split and insert freeze. I'll show you how is that. So it comes like, wait, I'll show you. That's it. It's freezed completely. So split and insert freeze meaning it will split to where it should be, and it will be freezed. So then afterwards, I just do the editing of this chroma key. So I just sorry, by mistake. So I just want to do, I click on this thing, and there's chroma key option here. I click on that and you should enable it, and as you can see the green screen is gone and I'm on a plain white this thing. And these are the these is to reduce and increase the background behind you, and this is to get the background and adjust it. So this is fine for me, and these are the detail curve and all to just make slight changes. So if you don't want, you can just leave it. So this.
Thanks for watching my video.
So as you can see, it's the green screen is gone. So these are the green screen and the basic effects which you need. I showed you in this how to what is KineMaster, how to add photos, how to add music, how to add layer, how to record voice, how to download any song or sound effect, how to use the KineMaster app, how to edit chroma key, and these are the basic effects which I use. And these are the basic effects which I use. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Joe Withbro. So if you want I would just show you. I said you in the end of the video I would show you. So guys, I'll do two things. So everyone, I'll do two things which I need to do. How do I create this intros and everything? So this, I'm going to do. I just exit out of my KineMaster app, and they'll be saved like that. And this is the app which I use, and there's an app called Intro Maker, which I'll give the link in the description. Make awesome intros. Just open it. It'll take. Yeah, I have not finished, so I'll just. Okay. So these are the intros which I use. The VIP is there and everything. I'll show you. These are the game intros and everything. This is the normal intro. I'll just click on one, and I have already downloaded it. So to download, there'll be an option download. So I'll use 180p to show you all. And this is, see, the title goes here. I click on it, the title, and I can write whatever text I want. So I just click on like this, and I write hi fans. Okay, hi fans. I can choose the text, and I have used a VIP version. If you want, stay free. Hi fans. Nice. Afterwards, you click tick. It will be exporting your video, meaning completing your video to share it to someone. So after it exports, I got a video like this. I'll just play it and see. So hi fans. So I just share it. So if I share it, if I want to send it to my dad or something, send it, or I can directly send it to KineMaster. So I don't want to do it because it takes a lot of time. I don't know why. So I'm just going back to the KineMaster app. I went back, so the changes did not change. So now I got my new thing. I'll show you. This is the thing. I click on media, you automatically get Intro Maker, which is the app which I use to make an intro. So I click on that, you automatically get the intro. The app which you can use to automatically get an intro, and which I use to make my intros. And I use Pixel Lab for editing, which I'll show you in my next video or sometime else. So this is the end of the video. Bye. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Jay with Bro. So I finished everything. So I'll show you how to share it. After I finish, I click on the share button, and afterwards there's an option called export. So after it gets exported, you will have a share option. So after you click on that, you can share it wherever and whichever apps you want. So that's how you share.